First of all, I would like to thank you for attending the event. First question is that what are your basic expectations from this event? What are you expecting to hear from other speakers, and like what you expect in the coming forward?
Thank you very much. At the outset, I'm really grateful for this opportunity. I think it's a wonderful opportunity where the persons from different areas are coming and they are sharing their experience as far as the Viksit Bharat concept is there. And within the Viksit Bharat, there are many spheres, and healthcare is very, very important because if the nation is healthy, only then we can be strong and we can stand. So I think that use of technology to make the healthcare services available to each and every needy person without any extra cost. If we can find out some innovation in that and we can get some information from the other people, I think that would be a very wonderful thing. And this today's event, I think we will be able to hear.
Okay, so as you correctly said, that technological innovation plays a very important role in India's healthcare infrastructure. So I would want to ask you, what kind of technological innovations is AIIMS Bhopal utilizing right now in the healthcare domain?
Actually, we are doing innovations in multiple sphere, means including the medical education, the patient care, then research and outreach. We are doing the innovation in all because my firm belief is that that medical treatment by any institution cannot be limited to a particular boundary. It has to reach, and at least it has to go to the person who is situated at a remote area. So, and they don't have any facility to come over to AIIMS Bhopal. So we are initiating online registration. The payment is we are using different e-payment facilities. We have started e-consultation, teleconsultation, tele-ICU, the consultation doctor to doctor and doctor to patient. And a very important thing is that we have become 85-90% paperless, because every activity what we are doing is now online, digital. So that is something which we are very proud of. And not only this, as far as the education is concerned, we are based now on the simulation and emulation facility for the children, so that they can learn the new things without going and harming the patient. We are making them on the mannequin and we are teaching them. So this is one more thing which I feel is very, very important, which we are doing.
Are you also leveraging the artificial intelligence in some of these initiatives?
Actually, my personal view is artificial intelligence is very hyped. We have to study and we have to find out the evidences whether it is going to revolutionize or not. My feeling is that it's a limited thing. It should be used under the cover of a person. Means human mind cannot be or the human intelligence cannot be compensated by artificial intelligence. So we are doing some research work, but as such we are not doing it as a project.
And what kind of role do you think global collaborations or Indian collaborations play in building a robust health infrastructure?
That is very, very important. That is very important, and we are not only different institutes of medical repute within the country and outside country. We are also collaborating with the institutes such as IITs and IIM, so that because now the healthcare is not only treating the patient, but the patient management before the patient are coming to us or after they are going, what the problem they are facing, the medicine which we are providing, what is the impact of those treatment on the life of a patient. So management schools and technology schools are also being incorporated, and we are doing the testing.
Can you name some institutions that you have recently collaborated with? Are there any institutions at present like that?
IIT Indore, IIM Indore, IIM Lucknow, we have done, and many medical institutes we have done, such as this hepatobiliary New Delhi Institute we have, and Suchitra from the south we have done, Tata Memorial we have done. So we have done multiple. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your insights.